The neuron, or the nerve cell. In this video, we'll go through the structure and function of a neuron. So what is a neuron? A neuron, or another name for a nerve cell, is the basic unit of the nervous system. Its purpose is to send and receive messages to and from muscles and glands in the body, to the brain, and then back. Most neurons have generally the same parts, though some look sort of different than this picture. They're comprised of dendrites, a cell body, an axon, some have a myelin sheath, and axon terminals. Every part other than the cell body are called processes because they extend outside the cell body. No other cell looks like this in the body. Let's start at the top, where the first message will be delivered and accepted by these long branched tubes called dendrites. Dendrites are sort of hair-like extensions that connect to other nerve cells. Then the soma, or the body of the nerve cell, contains the nucleus and mitochondria and other cellular processes of a nerve cell. Next, when an action potential is reached, which we'll be discussing in another video, the nerve cell transmits and sends an electrochemical signal down this long extension here called an axon. The axon is sometimes covered by what we call Schwann cells, and this is called a myelin sheath because it is coated in myelin to enable messages to travel faster. Next, we'll go down from the axon. This message will splinter off into other fibers at the end, or at the terminal, called terminal fibers. From here, this message will either deliver its signal to muscles, glands, or even back to the spinal cord to head back to the brain, depending on what kind of neuron this is. Now remember, a key concept here is that neuron anatomy, like everything in the body and in every organism, is related directly to its physiology, or that its shape and structure is directly related to its function.